In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Notion app. If you're winding down from a productive day or simply switching to another account, logging out is a straightforward process that ensures your account stays secure when you're not using it. Let's walk through this step by step so you can easily and confidently log out whenever you need to. First, you'll want to open the Notion app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen, where you can see your various workspaces or pages listed on the sidebar. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or the name of your currently active workspace located there. This small area of the Notion interface is your launching point for logging out, as it houses your account settings. Clicking on your profile picture or workspace name will present you with the drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for and select the option labeled Settings. This action will navigate you to a new page specifically dedicated to your account settings, allowing you to access various features and preferences associated with your Notion experience. As you browse through the settings page, you'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom. The logout option is not immediately visible when you first enter settings because it's grouped with other account-related actions at the bottom of the page. This design ensures your settings page is organized and focused on more frequently adjusted preferences higher up in the list. Once you reach the end of the settings page, you'll find the Logout button. It's typically placed there to prevent accidental logouts as you navigate through other settings. Click on this button to initiate the logout process. Depending on your current settings or system, you might be prompted to confirm your choice at this stage. A confirmation step is an added security measure to ensure that you indeed intend to log out, protecting your data from accidental closure. When the prompt appears, simply confirm your decision by selecting Yes or Confirm. With this action, you have successfully logged out of your Notion account. Keep in mind that logging out will disconnect your current session, so any unsaved changes might not be backed up. It's always a good practice to double-check that all your work is saved before proceeding to log out. And there you have it. You've just learned how to smoothly log out of the Notion app. This basic yet essential skill will help you manage your Notion usage effectively, especially when juggling multiple accounts or ensuring your information remains secure. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, stay organized and efficient with Notion.